Hey there, savvy store owners. Tired of basic coupons that just sit there? Want to turn discounts into dollars and promo codes into profit? You're in the right place. My name is Mike, and Sleeker Digital brings you smart coupons for WooCommerce. Smart coupons are WooCommerce secret weapon for next-level marketing. We're talking gift cards that sell themselves, store credit that keeps customers coming back, and discounts so clever they'll make your competitors blush in 7 bite-sized lessons. You'll learn to create coupons that actually work, no more code invalid chaos. Sell gift cards like a pro. Hello passive income. Restrict, customize, and troubleshoot like a coupon magician. By the end, you'll boost sales, build loyalty, and maybe even have fun with coupons. Ready to turn your store into a coupon-powered rocket ship? Let's dive in. Lesson 1 starts now.